mean what? I never feel happy unless you order something. I can't sit down and eat and you not eat.
But Carlton, I'm not hungry.
Well, force it. Alright, just order something and put it in front of you. You'll feel better the way when I eat my food, so you have food in front of you that if you want to eat something, you can eat it. I mean, you can pack it up afterwards as a doggy bag and carry with you, but just order something and please look on the menu.
Alright, I'll have the grilled shrimp and mashed potatoes.
Good. Let me go order that.
Hello?
Agency, I realize you haven't tendered your resignation to the minister's office yet.
Yeah, and I've decided that I'm gonna finish out the week. Can you give me a break, please?
Okay.
Okay. One grilled shrimp coming right up. Oh, she smiles. Yeah, man, lighten up, man. I like to see a smile. You have a beautiful smile.
On a more serious note, what did Dr. Frankenstein say when you saw her today?
You want to spoil my appetite, no? Well, first things, she was shocked. She couldn't believe someone find her.
But how did you find her?
Well, I'm very resourceful. I have my ways.
You don't say. Are you into construction or surveillance?
Tell you all the time, you got jokes. Let's say I have a little bit of both. As I said, I'm very resourceful.
So, what did she say about putting your brother into a mental institution?
What? She never said anything about. I mean, she said if the hallucination continues, if him don't get the treatment that he's supposed to get, he could deteriorate to the point where they have to put him in a mental institution. Not that he's already at that point that he needs to go into one.
Well, based on the conversation I overheard, they're planning to put your brother in a mental institution. And it seems as if it's already been told.
But no, see that woman up to something, you know. I don't trust her at all.
But I told you, Carlton, just take your brother from under the care of that woman.
Celine, it's not that easy. When I spoke to her today, the doctors actually listed that are specialists in this area. They're all her friends.
And there's no one else that could probably take care of him?
Not anybody else going to be able to cobbler. We need somebody who is a specialist in that area.
Then why not take him overseas, Carlton?
And that was the game plan. But if I'm going to do that, guess who I'm going to need a referral from?
See, she's covered all her bases.
Every time you talk, you sound like a police.
You know, that's the same thing they said at the academy.
Academy?
I meant university.
University, academy. Well, I guess I'm in with Y.
Here comes the food. Thank you.
I almost feel jealous.